I am back and I am making delicious sticky ribs. First thing I'm going to do is to put my ribs in the pot. You need a fairly big pot in order to take the amount of ribs you have. And I've cut them so that they can fit into this pot. Oh, look at that. It's the honey and the sugar which I'm going to add now that makes it nice and sticky. And to that, I'm going to add soy sauce, which adds that gorgeous umami flavor and gives it that dark color. Now, soy sauce goes very well with garlic and ginger. Now, something with a bit of a zing, which is optional, is an African bird's eye chili. And all I need now is some water to cover the ribs. Now, I'm going to cover this, let it do its thing. Smells amazing in here. Look at that. Now, as you can see, the sauce has reduced. I'm going to pour my sauce on top, just like that. I'm super happy. My ribs look gorgeous. So I just pile it on my plate. On one side, look at that guy. It's mine. And ta-da! It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Can we get in?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Sorry, that's not yours. That's mine. Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, that one's mine. You can have any other. The big boy's mine. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.